So after installing the patio, you go around. I don't go with the machinery, but if you go around just hammering it in with, say, a 6x6, you'll sometimes encounter the thing breaks in half, like here. So you don't want to take the whole thing apart and it's interlocked. You have to take it apart slowly with these, with tools like this, and try not to damage the edges of the other ones. But this will just go away anyways. You want to get rid of the sand, the excess sand that falls in as well, and then you have to put a new one in. And when you put a new one in, you got to drop it all four corners at the same time, right? Because in this case we have now the interlocked. Everything is now interlocked. What I did is I removed some sand on this corner and I pushed everything as far as I could that way. I could have removed all the sand here with, like, say, a vacuum, shop vac, and then I can push this further out. But I did this before and it worked just fine. Just make sure you get any of the excess sand that fell in out, and you should be good. Probably better to just have less than more in those corners. I can't really... Alex, nagrywaj to. Okay, I'm gonna drop this guy in.
Wow. O, toż dobrze, tata.
So now this goes in. Now that it's in, I just push it as far as I can to try to even it out, the gaps. Push it as far as I can to that side. Two of these. Right. And then push one of these back in. Goes. And the final. Alex, co ty chyba robisz? And that's pretty good. Now I can do this and add the sand back in. I don't know why they crack, but I think it's just the quality of these thin, large. They're 50 mils. So when you do bang them in, or after the first winter, you'll notice some of them crack in half. Just replace those and they should be good. It's just that defective rate is pretty high on these. And that's why I don't really like them. They're cheap though.